So I figured I'll make a quick video on concept map since it's also one of the ways that I use to study. The app that I use, or software I should say, is SimpleMind Pro. There is version for Apple, including tablets, and there are different styles to it. I have used multiple of them. This is a different one, a freeform darker background, or you can switch it. That's still a freeform, or you can switch it to something like this. But the other thing is, oh, that was another one that I made for DVT and embolism. You can insert images. I usually keep them at the original size, so when I click on it, it's a lot clearer, and you can make it bigger when you click on it. And the other thing is that you can also see an outlined version of it, which you can print, and so on and so forth. I usually don't do that. If I will send it to myself, I usually still keep it in the concept map form and just send it to myself. It's still colorful, it's still interesting. Sometimes I will give it different color to like review the high points of the different diseases, and I do the same thing even in that one. So the majority of everything is yellow for this, but I still put those highlights in red that I have to look into. So this is what I use to study. It's quite interesting and I enjoy it. You can always make, this was about seizure, make everything smaller and hide them or just expand them. So yeah, this is SimpleMind Pro and I enjoy it. Hope that helps.